Hello everyone, how are you all? So today we are going to start our topic. As earlier I said, today we are going to start our equity and preference share. We are going to understand by this that what is a equity share and what is a preference share. Okay, so we'll move ahead. So you can view my channel on YouTube by my channel name Deepika Roy. Okay, everything's related to 11th and 12th business economics and everything you will find over there. So we will come to our point, equity share. Okay, so what is the equity share? Equity share are the share which represent the part of ownership of the share in the company. Okay, it is also known as ordinary share. So you all are knowing that equity share are the share, okay, which represent the part of ownership of the share in the company. It means if I have taken some part, okay, if I have taken some part of the equity share from the company, okay, it is also known as ordinary share, means some part of equity share I have purchased from the company, then of that unit, of that part only I am the ownership of that company then. Okay, equity shareholder are the real owners of the company. Okay, they are taking a lot of risk also, they are getting the dividend also, they are getting the dividend, but it is not fixed. Okay, in the next slide we'll look that. If here you will look, the cake is there. Okay, it means if I'm purchasing the equity share of some company, of Reliance company, then if you will look, this part, only this much part of the cake, same way in this much part of the share of the unit I have purchased from the company. So I'm the ownership of that company, I'm the owner, I'm the member of that company of this much share only. Okay, getting everyone? So the amount of share held by them is the portion of their ownership in the company. Means the amount of cake, the part of the cake which I have taken, in this portion only I am the ownership in that company. It means this portion only I am the ownership of the Reliance company. Getting? Because this much part only I have purchased, this much part of share only I have purchased from the company. So I am the owner of this much portion of the ownership only I have in that company, in Reliance company. Getting? Same way equity shareholder have the voting rights whenever anything is going in the company, like whatever the thing is, whatever the decision we need to take. Okay, so every decision for everything, equity shareholder have the voting rights to tell each and everything. Okay, equity shareholder can remove the directors and auditors of the company also, because equity shareholder have the full right to tell anything. Okay, now fixed rate of dividend. Equity shareholder doesn't have a fixed rate of dividend. Okay, why they don't have the fixed rate of dividend? Fixed rate of the dividend they don't have because the if you will look in the fourth picture over here, the man is sitting. The company is feeling relaxed. When the company is going into losses, the company is also relaxed. Why? Because they don't have to pay the dividend to the equity shareholder. They are also thinking, okay fine, जब आएगा तो मैं दे दूंगा. Getting? Whenever the company will get profit, then I will give. ऐसा ज़रूरी तो नहीं है कि अभी मैं लॉस में जा रहा हूँ तो मुझे पे करना है. जब कंपनी लॉस में जाती है, unless and until if the company is going into the losses, still they have to pay to the preference shareholder, because preference shareholder have the fixed rate of dividend. They have to pay whatever the dividend rate is there, 7%, 10%, 20%, but they have to pay to the preference shareholder. But in the equity shareholder case, the case is different. The company is sitting relaxed. Okay, right now I am facing loss. Okay fine, equity shareholder को तो वैसे भी नहीं देना है. जब कंपनी को प्रॉफिट होगी, then I'll give to equity shareholder the rate of dividend. I'll pay. If company is getting higher profit, then equity shareholder will also get the higher dividend. Getting everyone? Dividend is in the form of what? Dividend is in the form of interest. Okay, dividend is in the form of interest. Same way we will look right now the preference shareholder. Okay, same way we will look right now the preference shareholder. Same way we will look right now the preference shareholder. Now preference shareholder. What is preference shareholder? Preference share are the share that carry preferential rights over payment of dividend and repayment of capital. What is the preference share? Preference share are the share that carry preferential right over, what is the part? Over payment of dividend and repayment of capital. So preference share will get only, preference share have only the rights in the payment of dividend and repayment of capital. Okay. So we'll look ahead. It means, what is the meaning is that the meaning of this is preference share will get the fixed dividend. Their rate of dividend is fixed. If the company is going into losses or anything, company have to pay to the preference shareholder because their rate of dividend is fixed. Company can't say I am not going to pay you. This company can't say. ठीक है, अगर लॉस हो रही है प्रॉफिट हो रही है, बट स्टिल प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को पैसे कंपनी को देने ही पड़ेंगे बिकॉज देयर रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड इज फिक्स्ड. ओके, गेटिंग. एंड रीपेमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल, इट मीन्स रीपेमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल कब होती है? इन द इवेंट ऑफ लिक्विडेशन ऑफ कंपनी, जब कंपनी बंद होने की कगार पे आ जाती है. दैट इज द मीनिंग. सो इन द रीपेमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल, अगर कंपनी को लॉस हो रही है, कंपनी अगर बंद होने वाली है, लिक्विडेशन होने वाली है कंपनी की, तो फिर क्या होता है? तो फिर कंपनी को सबसे पहले जितने भी एसेट है सब कुछ को सेल करके कंपनी को प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को पैसे देने ही पड़ते हैं. उसके बाद जो भी बच्चा कुछ पैसा जाता है वो फिर लास्ट में सभी पेमेंट करने के बाद इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर को जाता है. कंपनी को लॉस हो कुछ भी हो, प्रेफरेंस शेयर को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर की रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड फिक्स्ड है, उसको कंपनी को देना ही पड़ेगा. गेटिंग? विल लुक नेक्स्ट राइट नाउ. Now if you will see in the preference shareholder, the dividend is fixed. Anything happen, fixed dividend is fixed dividend. They have to pay whatever 20%, 5%, 10%, the rate of dividend is fixed of the preference shareholder. No voting rights. Company preference shareholder do not have voting rights to interface in the company matter. Okay, they only have the right to tell in the matter which directly affect their resolution of winding up of the company or in the reduction of capital. Okay, in these two things only they have the right to tell. First one is resolution of winding up of the company and second one is reduction of capital. In these two things they directly they can say anything. Okay, they have the right only for these two things. Which one is? I dictate resolution of capital, resolution of winding up of the company, and the second one is reduction of capital. Remember, first one is resolution of winding up of the company and second one is reduction of capital. Okay, repayment of capital. That is only when the company is going into the losses or company is winding up, still they have to pay. Okay, they have to pay first to the preference shareholder. Getting? So, we'll discuss one more time. Equity shareholder and equity shareholder, equity share are the owners of the company. Okay, if I have taken half part of the cake, then I am that half part, I am that half unit of the ownership. Okay, I am that portion of ownership in the company. Okay, so I am the real owners of the company. Equity shareholder are the real owners of the company. Equity shareholder are also known as the ordinary shares of the company. Okay, equity shareholder have the voting rights. They can appoint and remove the directors and the auditors of the company. Okay, they have the right to get the profits of the company. Okay, now no burden is there on the company. If the company is getting into losses also, still the company is thinking okay fine, we don't have to give to equity shareholder. जब पैसा आएगा तो equity shareholder को मैं पे कर दूंगा. ठीक है? That is the reason they are on the company. There is no burden to pay to equity shareholder. When the company is getting profit, they are giving the higher dividend also to the equity shareholder. Okay, same way the situation is different in the preference shareholder. Preference shareholder are the share that carry the preferential right only in the case of payment of dividend and the repayment of capital. Done. That is only the preference share. They have only the right, preferential right in the repayment of the dividend, that is payment rate is fixed dividend, and the repayment of capital. Company is going into losses also, कुछ भी होने दो, their rate, fixed rate is dividend, is their fixed dividend is there. Okay, they have to pay. Company have to pay to the preference shareholder and the repayment of capital. प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को कोई वोटिंग राइट्स नहीं मिलती है, फिक्स रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड रहती है, रीपेमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल रहती है. कंपनी को लॉस होने दो, कुछ भी होने दो, प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को पैसे देने ही हैं. ओके, गेटिंग एवरीवन? फाइन. If you like if you understand each and everything, then please like, subscribe and share, and don't just miss to press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can comment. Thank you so much.